Hi everyone, I'm Lisa with Down to Earth Gardening. Welcome to today's video. Today we're talking about what to do with your Christmas tree after the holiday is over. When we cut down a perfectly beautiful Christmas tree, sometimes I feel really bad cutting it down because I know that means that it's at the end of its life. And I thought it would be fun to do a video on what can we do, what are some great eco-friendly ideas to do with your Christmas tree when we're done with it. So there are a few good uses for it that I'm going to give you today. So look at this beauty here, and it is starting to shed, so it's time to get it out of the house and figure out what we're going to do. And number one option, which we typically do, is we do a little fire outside. So it's fun to do those here in New England in the winter. But what we do is we will cut it up pretty small and we'll burn it. I have to say it burns hot and fast, so always watch out for that. But that's a fun eco-friendly thing to do with it. Number two option for it is to leave it in the stand and just bring it right outside. You can put it right in your garden or your patio, and it's going to be great for birds, for shelter, for nesting for the winter, for a little added protection. So that's a fun thing, and it'll also give you some winter interest in your garden. So number three option is to compost it. So if I was going to compost the tree, I would really want to cut it up as small as I possibly could, and that would help it break down a little bit more. But an even better option for composting it is if you have a little shredder, to run it through the shredder and then put it in your compost, and that will help move things along. And then my last option for you, which is another great one for us gardeners, is to cut off the branches and lay them in your garden as mulch. So it'll give your plants, and especially your tender perennials, your roses, a little added protection in the winter. So I'm going to show you how to do that quickly here today, because that's the option that I'm going to go with this year for my Christmas tree.